Hello friends, and welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. Today we're diving into something truly special, a complete Christmas interior tour that captures the essence of modern farmhouse design with that signature McGee and Company elegance we all adore. Think warm textures, neutral palettes kissed with festive touches, and that effortlessly curated look that makes every corner feel like home. Whether you're decorating your first farmhouse or refreshing your holiday style, this tour will inspire you to create spaces that feel both cozy and sophisticated. If you love this content, please hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share your favorite decorating ideas in the comments below. Your farmhouse exterior sets the stage for everything inside, especially during the holidays. Picture a classic board and batten facade painted in crisp white or soft grayish, accented with black metal fixtures that nod to industrial farmhouse style. For Christmas, keep it simple yet striking. A fresh evergreen wreath with eucalyptus sprigs on your front door, flanked by matching topiaries in galvanized metal planters. Line your porch with hurricane lanterns filled with pillar candles and pine branches. The key is restraint with impact. McGee and Company teaches us that less is often more when each element is thoughtfully chosen and beautifully placed. Your entryway deserves that special holiday touch while remaining functional for everyday life. Start with a rustic wooden bench featuring a linen cushion in oatmeal or cream, perfect for removing snowy boots. Above it, mount a large-scale mirror with a simple wood frame to reflect light and greenery. Install shiplap wall paneling painted in Benjamin Moore's white dove for that signature farmhouse backdrop. Add black metal hooks for coats and hats, interspersed with mini evergreen wreaths tied with velvet ribbon. A jute runner grounds the space, while a vintage-inspired tray corrals keys beside a small potted rosemary tree, functional, fragrant, and festive all at once. The magic of farmhouse Christmas design lies in layering natural textures with intentional styling. Place a large woven basket beside your bench for storing throws and scarves. Choose one in natural seagrass for authentic farmhouse appeal. On a narrow console table, if space allows, arrange a simple vignette. A wooden dough bowl filled with fresh greenery, white pillar candles in varying heights, and perhaps a vintage brass candlestick. The McGee aesthetic embraces the collected over time feeling, so incorporate heirloom pieces or flea market finds. Add a small potted paper white narcissus for living beauty that brings the season indoors with grace and simplicity. The living room embodies the modern farmhouse Christmas spirit beautifully when designed with both comfort and style in mind. Anchor your space with a neutral linen sectional. Studio McGee often features pieces in ivory, wheat, or warm gray. Position it around a reclaimed wood coffee table with chunky legs and natural imperfections that tell a story. Layer in texture through a chunky knit throw in cream and velvet pillows in subtle holiday hues like sage green or dusty burgundy. A large jute rug defines the seating area, while the fireplace becomes your focal point. Keep furniture scaled appropriately, leaving ample walkways that maintain the room's airy, collected feel. Transform your living room into a holiday haven with McGee-inspired restraint and beauty. Drape your mantel with fresh garland, real cedar or fir, secured with elegant ribbon in muted tones rather than bright reds. Tuck in white taper candles in brass or black metal holders, vintage brass candlesticks, and a few bleached pine cones for organic texture. On the coffee table, create a low arrangement in a wooden dough bowl. Eucalyptus, white roses, and hypericum berries keep it sophisticated. Swap regular throw pillows for holiday versions featuring subtle patterns, ticking stripes, buffalo check in muted tones, or linen with simple embroidery that whispers rather than shouts Christmas. McGee and Company's philosophy shines in the details that elevate without overwhelming. Beside your sofa, style a round pedestal side table with a mercury glass lamp and a small stack of coffee table books topped with a mini boxwood wreath. In the corner, a 6-foot flocked Christmas tree, not overly snowy, just lightly dusted, Decorated exclusively with natural wood ornaments, dried orange slices, and warm white string lights creates magic without the clutter. Beneath, wrap gifts in craft paper tied with linen ribbon and fresh greenery sprigs. Add a chunky cable knit tree collar instead of a traditional skirt for that modern, organic touch. Your dining room should feel like an invitation to linger over meals and conversations throughout the holiday season. A solid wood farmhouse table, think chunky turned legs in a weathered oak or walnut finish, serves as the perfect foundation. Surround it with a mix of seating, upholstered linen dining chairs on the sides and a wooden bench on one side for that casual, family-friendly vibe. Overhead, a statement chandelier in aged brass or matte black iron with Edison bulbs provides warm, flattering light. Keep walls neutral with shiplap or board and batten wainscoting, allowing your table decor to shine as the seasonal star. Your Christmas table should reflect the modern farmhouse aesthetic, organic, inviting, and effortlessly elegant. Start with a neutral linen table runner in oatmeal or natural flax down the center. Create a garland-style centerpiece using fresh eucalyptus, seeded eucalyptus, and white spray roses, punctuated with brass candlesticks holding ivory taper candles. For place settings, layer stoneware dinner plates in cream with simple white salad plates, linen napkins tied with twine, and a sprig of rosemary tucked in. Add vintage-inspired flatware in brushed gold or antique silver. Incorporate natural elements like small pine cones at each setting or handwritten place cards on craft paper for personalized charm. The farmhouse kitchen balances beauty with practicality, especially important during the busy holiday baking season. Picture white shaker cabinets with brushed nickel or aged brass hardware, complemented by open shelving on at least one wall to display your collection of white ironstone and wooden cutting boards. A large apron-front farmhouse sink sits beneath a window dressed with simple cafe curtains and natural linen. Countertops in honed marble or butcher block provide work surfaces, while subway tile backsplash in classic white with dark grout maintains the timeless aesthetic. Your stainless steel refrigerator and range blend seamlessly when flanked by proper cabinetry and thoughtful styling. Bring Christmas into your kitchen with restraint and purpose, keeping functionality paramount while adding festive charm. On open shelving, tuck small sprigs of boxwood behind your everyday dishes and add a vintage brass candlestick with a white candle. Hang a simple eucalyptus wreath on a cabinet door using removable hooks. Style your countertops minimally. A wooden tray near your coffee station with a small potted herb, a ceramic canister filled with wooden spoons, and perhaps a small cutting board leaning against the backsplash creates dimension. Near your espresso machine or coffee maker, arrange white ceramic mugs on a brass tray with a small milk pitcher filled with winter greenery for morning charm. The family room deserves that lived-in comfort while maintaining the modern farmhouse aesthetic throughout the holidays. Center the space around a comfortable sectional in durable performance fabric. Studio McGee often uses darker neutrals like charcoal or warm taupe here for practicality. Mount your flat-screen TV above a rustic wood media console with clean lines and ample storage for hiding electronics. Flank the TV with simple sconces in matte black or aged brass for ambient lighting. Add an oversized ottoman serving as both coffee table and extra seating, topped with a large wooden tray to keep remotes organized and display a simple greenery arrangement. Even during the holidays, we need spaces that inspire productivity while feeling seasonally appropriate. Carve out a small office nook with a simple writing desk in natural wood. A Parsons-style or trestle desk works beautifully in farmhouse spaces. Add a comfortable linen upholstered chair that coordinates with your overall palette. On the desk, keep it minimal: a vintage brass task lamp, a small wooden desk clock with Roman numerals for classic appeal, and a ceramic pencil holder with a sprig of greenery. Mount floating shelves above for books and decorative objects. A small vintage-inspired radio adds nostalgic charm while providing background music for your work sessions. Every farmhouse needs a dedicated reading nook that beckons you to slow down and savor the season. Position a comfortable wingback chair or curved barrel chair, upholstered in textured fabric near a window to maximize natural light. Add a chunky cable knit throw in cream and a few soft pillows in subtle patterns. Beside it, place a round pedestal side table in weathered wood to hold your tea, books, and a small table lamp with a linen shade. Above, install simple wall sconces for evening reading. Hang a framed botanical print or vintage book pages in a simple wood frame. This corner becomes your sanctuary for reflection during the busy holiday season. Your bedroom should feel like a peaceful retreat from holiday bustle, decorated with gentle seasonal touches. Start with crisp white bedding, a linen duvet cover or matelass coverlet, layered with texture through a chunky knit throw at the foot, and velvet or linen pillows in soft holiday hues. A substantial wood bed frame with clean lines anchors the space. On bedside tables, place matching ceramic lamps with linen shades flanking the bed. Add small seasonal touches, a mini wreath above the headboard, a small arrangement of white roses and eucalyptus on the dresser, and a cedar-scented candle in a simple vessel for cozy ambience without overwhelming your restful sanctuary. Your farmhouse bathroom deserves holiday touches that enhance rather than complicate your daily routines. Keep the foundation neutral. White subway tile, a marble-topped vanity in soft gray or white, and brushed nickel or matte black fixtures. Above the wastafel, hang a simple wood-framed mirror or medicine cabinet. In the shower, install a frameless glass enclosure if possible, maintaining that clean, open feeling. For Christmas, add a small eucalyptus bundle tied to your shower head. The steam releases wonderful aromatherapy. On the vanity, display rolled white towels in a wire basket, a few white candles, and a small vase with winter greenery for subtle seasonal charm. Even your garage can embrace farmhouse style while serving its practical purpose, especially important during the holiday season when storing decorations and equipment. Install vertical shiplap boards painted in durable exterior paint for visual interest and protection. Mount a pegboard system painted matte black with coordinating hooks for tools and seasonal items. Include sturdy open shelving in natural wood or metal for plastic storage bins clearly labeled with contents. A mudroom-style bench with hooks above provides a transition space. Keep the aesthetic cohesive with industrial-style lighting, and consider adding a small evergreen wreath to the interior garage door as a welcoming touch when arriving home. Your farmhouse patio extends your living space and deserves thoughtful holiday decoration that withstands the elements beautifully. Anchor the space with durable outdoor furniture, a wooden dining table with metal chairs, or a comfortable seating arrangement with weather-resistant cushions in neutral tones. String cafe lights overhead for magical evening ambience. Add large planters filled with evergreen branches, winterberry stems, and birch logs for vertical interest and organic texture. Place a collection of lanterns in varying sizes along the patio edge with battery-operated candles inside. If you have a covered porch, hang a substantial wreath and add outdoor pillows in buffalo check or subtle plaids for inviting warmth. Before we conclude, let's discuss what makes this aesthetic so timelessly appealing. The modern farmhouse style championed by McGee Co succeeds through its commitment to quality over quantity, natural materials over synthetic, and curated simplicity over cluttered excess. Every piece serves a purpose, both functional and aesthetic. The neutral foundation allows seasonal layers to shine without requiring complete redecoration. Texture provides interest where bold colors might overwhelm. This approach means your Christmas decor enhances rather than hides your everyday style, making decorating less stressful and more joyful. It's about creating homes that feel collected, comfortable, and authentically yours through every season. Thank you so much for joining me on this cozy farmhouse Christmas tour. I hope you've discovered inspiration to create your own modern farmhouse holiday haven this season. Remember, you don't need to transform everything at once. Start with one room, focus on natural elements, and build your collection thoughtfully over time. The beauty of this style is its accessibility and timelessness. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for weekly design inspiration that makes creating beautiful spaces simple and achievable. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and share your favorite farmhouse Christmas tip in the comments. I love hearing from you. Wishing you a beautiful, cozy, and design-filled holiday season ahead.